English by Joy. Colors name in English. Red.
Red.
The strawberry is red.
The strawberry is red.
Blue.
Blue.
The door is blue.
The door is blue.
Green.
Green.
The plant is green.
The plant is green.
Orange.
Orange.
The pumpkin is orange.
The pumpkin is orange.
White.
White.
The seashell is white.
The seashell is white.
Black.
Black.
The swan is black.
The swan is black.
Yellow.
Yellow.
The duck is yellow.
The duck is yellow.
Purple.
Purple.
The flower is purple.
The flower is purple.
Silver.
Silver.
The coin is silver.
The coin is silver.
Brown.
Brown.
The chocolate is brown.
The chocolate is brown.
Gray.
Gray.
The cat is gray.
The cat is gray.
Pink.
Pink.
The donut is pink.
The donut is pink.
Olive green.
Olive green.
The olive is olive green.
The olive is olive green.
Maroon.
Maroon.
The tram is maroon.
The tram is maroon.
Violet.
Violet.
The stone is violet.
The stone is violet.